How to fix stories not loading or disappearing on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can fix the Snapchat stories that aren't loading or are disappearing. So first of all, go ahead and open your Snapchat application. Also make sure that it's updated to its latest version by going to Play Store and checking whether the app is updated or not. So there are a few things that you can try beside this. You can go ahead and clear the cache. For that, tap on the profile picture or the Bitmoji avatar in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right, scroll all the way down, and there you will see the option of clear cache that is under the account actions. Tap on it and tap on continue. Once you're done with this, go ahead and open your system settings or simply tap and hold onto the Snapchat icon. Tap on the I button in the top to go to app info. Scroll down and go to storage and then tap on clear cache. And if clearing the cache does not work, you can try clearing the data. But remember that it will delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. And if it still does not work, go ahead and uninstall this application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store. And also make sure that you have a stable and a strong Wi-Fi or internet connection on your device. So hopefully one of those fixes will help you fix the issue. If it did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.